Good afternoon from where I am to wherever you are. On this post, I'll be talking to you about VeChain, VET, USDT. Today is November 19th, Thursday, so we're going to see what exactly is going on with VeChain as of today. A viewer of mine asked me what I think of VeChain. This is not one of the cryptos I usually keep a watch on, so I thought it'd be pretty cool to take a look into something I don't usually look at. Before we begin today, if you guys are watching me on YouTube, please do subscribe. If you guys are watching me on TradingView, do follow me as I'll be keeping you updated on the latest crypto setups on my watch list, regardless if it's a good day or a bad day. If you guys do want to support me and don't already have a WeBull brokerage account, you guys can use my WeBull referral link below. They're still giving away 3 free stocks upon a successful sign-up and a qualifying deposit, and I will also receive a referral bonus if you guys sign up under me. Please do also read my full disclaimer below. I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I am purely sharing my own speculations and opinions on this market. I cannot tell you the future, and you should always do your own due diligence before trading or investing in this market, as it is extremely risky and volatile. If you guys have any questions or comments, please do only leave them in the comment section below. I will get to them a lot faster that way, but let me know what symbols you guys are trading, following. I can see if I can show my analysis and opinions on those symbols. Now let's take a look at what's happening with VeChain. Okay, first things first, I would like to know where price action is relative to the trend. So are we in an uptrend, downtrend, or are we in reversal? First thing I like to look at to actually evaluate that is seeing where the price action is relative to the moving averages. So let's zoom all the way out to the monthly time frame and see where we are at on the highest level. On the highest level time frame, at least that I use, on the monthly, we are still very well above the most recent moving average that I used, which is the 21 simple moving average, which is the blue line right here, currently sitting at about 0.0077, while the price action currently is well above that, 0.011499. Okay, so on the monthly time frame, in my opinion, we're still very much on a macro uptrend. But if price action actually gets below this, that is a different story, and I will have to reevaluate, but that would not look good to me. Let's take a look on the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I can see that price action has actually dipped below the 21 simple moving average, the blue line, and we have bounced off the 50 simple moving average so far, the white line. Now, if the price action can actually get above the weekly 21 simple moving average again, that will put my opinion back on the bullish side on the weekly time frame. Okay, but if we are not able to do that and continue downwards, then I'm going to have to switch my opinion. Let's go on the 3-day time frame. On the 3-day time frame, we can see that the 21 simple moving average has already crossed over some time ago and is down. It's actually underneath the 50 simple moving average. That is a bad sign on this time frame, because whenever the more recent moving average is underneath the other less recent moving averages, that is a downtrend. Now let's take a look at the last large time frame that I will consider, which is the daily time frame. Okay, the daily time frame, we can see that since the downtrend back in September, okay, price action had not been able to actually close. Let's confirm that, or at least get a solid close and stay above the 50 simple moving average, which is the white line right here. However, we do see price action now actually getting above that 50 simple moving average. If we can actually stay above that moving average, that is a good sign for a reversal. But we have to stay above it. It can't be like just like this, which happened before, where price action slightly got above the 50 simple moving average and got rejected not too long later. Now, this is significant because if we actually take a look at the 50 simple moving average on the daily, we can actually see that since the downtrend, price action had not been able to even get above it. So it is significant that if we can see price action get above it and stay above it, that would be a good reversal and break this downtrend pattern. Now, let's also take it into consideration in the current situation we have at hand with the price action. So on the 3-day time frame, I think this would be a better presentation of what could be happening right now. So I have two scenarios that could happen. Scenario number one would be a falling wedge pattern, okay? And if that is the case, we had a mild breakout of that falling wedge pattern. And if this falling wedge pattern is actually what it looks like to be, and that we actually had a breakout, the measure target would be about 0.0167 in that range, okay? That's basically by taking the distance of the opening of the pattern and then adding it to the breakout point. Now, let's see if that is going to be true or not. The other case scenario would be if this is actually a complex inverse head and shoulders pattern. We'll have the shoulder number one, shoulder number two, and then head. Now, both of them are bullish patterns, but the difference is which one is it going to be, because the falling wedge pattern would obviously play out a lot sooner. Expect it to play out a lot sooner, okay, than the complex inverse head and shoulders pattern, because we still only have one side of the head and shoulders pattern. So if this confirms to be a falling wedge pattern and price action actually comes to this level right here, that would confirm it, right? And that would tell me the reversal is going to be quicker than a inverse complex head and shoulders pattern. So this is something I'm watching out for. And I think this would conclude my very short analysis and overview of VeChain. This is, like I said, something I'll be keeping an eye out for and see if the reversal is coming quicker or slower, or it never really happens, because anything is possible in the market. So, if the falling wedge happens, the inverse head and shoulders happens, or the reversal doesn't happen at all, those are still scenarios that are on the table. Now, this concludes my very short analysis of VeChain. Let me know if you guys found it helpful. Let me know agreements, disagreements. I'd love to hear your thoughts. I hope you guys manage your risk carefully. And if you guys have any more appetite for other crypto videos and analysis, be sure to check them out above on my YouTube channel. I'll see you guys next time.